is going on out there? What? No way. What? Good morning, Axel.
Morning, bro.
Dude, best birthday gift
All
ever.
people at the shop thought you might like this.
Oh man, guys, if you want this on your skateboard, I think that's gonna be up on the shop soon.
Oh my god, I'm so tired.
What's up, man?
What's going on, brother?
Nice to meet you.
Rob, good to meet you.
What's up, man?
What's up?
Chris.
This is
How you
Axel.
doing?
Nice to meet you. I think the orange is the one, man. Let's try it out normal first. Oh, yeah. It feels pretty damn good already. Jeez, this looks like it kicks up. I think I have it like on nothing right now. Yeah. This is a game changer for sure. Yeah, that's just hard, bro. That's just hella hard. Man, I came up so quick. Even at level 1, I was already going fast, dog. That's just crazy. Hell yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, that's insane, man.
You got the places in mind to ride?
Yeah,
Where
hell
do you
yeah.
think we should go?
So we can take you to a helicopter pad. There's a park right down the street from there.
No
It's called
way.
Buena Vista View.
Riding the baby makers on the streets of LA right now. What freedom! Woo! Woo! Chris is really making my adrenaline run right now. How long would that take on your normal bike?
Oh man, I don't even know, dude. If it took me at least like 5 seconds on my normal bike, would have taken me like 15 or 10. Yeah, 10 seconds to get up here. I did this in like 5 seconds.
I don't think I could pedal up this hill on a normal bike. We're coming down this hill, and this dude's standing up on the top of his bicycle, and I'm sitting down with both hands, scared for my life, and he's going faster than me. Crazy, Sasha. All right, just pulled into Chinatown here. 大家好。
Alright, we just finished up the ride. I hope you guys loved it.
What a rush. Trying to keep up with Chris in LA traffic. Woo! I had my helmet on. I'm bombing these hills at my max speed, both hands on the handlebars. He's standing up at the top, and I couldn't keep up with him. Absolute crazy, man. If you get to LA, hit him up at Chris2Active. Also, special thanks to Felipe's Bike Shop for housing us here in LA. And you guys, if you like the video, just, it takes one click. Go down here, hit the subscribe button. I'm waiting, just hit it right there. It takes a click, it would mean the world to us. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get the next video first. Like, comment, subscribe. We will see you in the next one. We got the Transit back here, and now we got the big Transit back there. Just drove that thing through the Santa Ana winds. It was incredible.
And
made
wildfires.
it through. And wildfires.